Good morning and thank you for your time. My name is Ngọc and I'm an Omnichannel and digital transformation advisor for Thien. I will not go into every detail. I will focus on three things that matter most at CEO level. First, where Thien is today in B2B omnichannel. Second, two investment scenarios, high investment and low investment, and my recommended roadmap to close the gap with top players like Faber-Castell. From our study, Thien is already digitally mature on the process side. According to the strength framework, you are at the end of the work stage entering run. Processes are standardized, invoices are in place, and prices and policies are quite consistent across channels. However, if we look at cross-channel integration using the GAL and Lee framework, integration is only partial. Data from the website, B2B portal, Zero OA, and offline system is still fragmented. There is no single customer profile. Order and benefit confirmation are still manual, and there is limited real-time visibility of inventory and contract prices across touchpoints. So operationally, you are strong, but the omni-channel experience is still behind the spring level competitors. Let me summarize the key omnichannel issues that affect your value chain. First, at the inbound and operations stages, weak car system connectivity means sales, logistics, and finance do not see the same data at the same time. Second, in the sales and service activities, manual order confirmation and promotion checking slow down cycle times and create room for errors. Third, across logistics and after sale, the lack of real-time visibility leads to the question, where's my order, and makes planning harder for your B2B customers. Finally, B2B and B2C are not clearly differentiated in terms of pricing and policy, which creates inconsistency across channels and partners. Any solution we propose must work with this value chain and supporting functions, IT, HR, finance, so that managers across departments can agree and execute. In scenario one, the high investment option Tingla moves to a fully integrated, data-driven model. We build TOG Car Hub as an API and event-based integrated layer connecting your CRM, ERP, OMS, and B2B portal into one real-time data backbone. On top of that, TOG Vision Hub gives live visibility of inventory, contract prices, and other status using IoT and GPS telemetry from trucks and warehouses to predict ETA instead of relying on static schedule. We also deploy intelligent process automation for order confirmation and benefit checking. The system learns from historical data, score risk of promotion abuse, and auto-approves low risk order while flagging exceptions. Finally, a policy crew entering enforces contract pricing and lead time consistently across website, portal, seller, and distributor. From a TAM technology acceptance model perspective, this scenario aims for very high perceived usefulness, but it requires more change management and investment in ease of use and training. Scenario 2, the low investment option, a pragmatic bridge. Instead of deep integration, we create a temporary data hub in Google Sheet, a set point with schedule, export, and import for key objects like orders, inventory, and key accounts. Other confirmation moves to simple forms and workflow in Google or Microsoft 365. When a customer submits an order, an approval flow is triggered automatically via email or chat, and processing time is tracked on a shared board. Then we build a new real-time dashboard in Looker Studio of Power BI Free, showing other milestones and inventory using simple color alerts. At the policy level, a lightweight policy center and master price list ensure all channels refer to one source and truth when quoting. This scenario is cheap, quick to implement, and improves perceived usefulness and ease of use enough for staff to adopt the new way of working, again aligning with the TAM model. So what does this mean for you as CEO? Today Tinglom is at around 60% digital maturity, while Faber-Castell is in the 80 or 90% sprint range. If you choose only the high investment scenario, you can move close to the sprint level around 90% with consolidated data. high automation and a very consistent customer experience. If you choose only the low investment scenario, you can still move about 70% solid run level with quick efficiency again and lower customer friction, but without the full end-to-end integration. My recommendation is a two-step roadmap. In the short term, implement the low investment package to deliver quick wins and prove value. In parallel, design and pilot the high investment package for one priority customer segment, then scale one the business case is clear. So this way, Tinglum improves performance now while building the platform needed for long-term omnichannel leadership. Thank you very much for your attention. If you would like to discuss the number KPIs or technical roadmap in more detail, I would be happy to support you after this presentation. Thank you. So what does this mean for you as CEO? Today, Tinglum is at around 60% digital maturity, while Faber-Castell is in the 80 or 90% sprint range. If you choose only the high investment scenario, you can move close to the sprint level around 90%, which consolidate